Have you ever listened to a radio drama and wondered about all the sound that makes the story exciting? If you're like most people, the answer is probably no. Sound effects are what makes the radio drama more real to the listener. The richer the sound, the more characters come to life. In television, you can see what's happening. In radio, the producers use sounds to paint the picture. CMFD records most of their sound effects individually. So the sounds of few potatoes on the table, added to the sound of someone measuring rice, plus some people walking by, and a bit of background conversation, are taken by the sound engineers and laid into tracks. They then become the backdrop for a bustling market scene.
Mama Bahati, the president is passing.
What?
The president is passing. Close the shops.
Making sound effects is a creative process. Sometimes the sound engineers have to get their hands dirty and their feet wet. And sometimes even a little exercise. Of course, it isn't always easy to make all the sounds we need in and around a studio. Sometimes sound engineers fillet sounds. Fillet is when you record something that you want to sound like something else. For example, a metal rake and a broom handle become a rural school bell. Or a garden hose and some houseplants become a rainy afternoon. Other times, recording lifelike sound effects means actually going out into the community. Each new project brings new sound challenges. On average, CMFD records 40 to 50 original effects for every radio drama. This means we can create rich, three-dimensional stories full of sounds listeners hear every day. So next time you listen to your favorite drama, tune your ear to the sound that brings it to life. You'll find there's a lot more going on than you first expected.
So next week, you'll come over at my place, we listen to our program, right? I can't wait for next week.